it's Sydney and Carrie, and this is your cocktail of the week. Woo! This week we're making a sparkling lemonade margarita. We made ice cubes out of lemonade earlier, so they're just kind of funky to get out. So I'm gonna add 2 lemonade ice cubes to our blender.
Excellent.
And we are making this with Laughing Glass Classic Margarita. So I'm going to add 5 ounces of classic margarita right to our blender. And then, for fun, ooh, that was more. We're gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon, maybe a little less, of grenadine syrup. Ooh, that was a lot. That might have been too much. We're gonna zhuzh that up in our blender. This is gonna be really fun. It looks like summer, doesn't it? It looks like a slushie.
It does. It looks delicious.
But the fun part of this cocktail is we also made Prosecco ice cubes earlier.
I mean, there's nothing better than a champagne ice cube.
So we're gonna plop one of those
Prosecco.
right on top, and as that melts, it's gonna give it a nice little sparkle to it.
Yay.
And that's it.
Cheers.
It's pretty.
It's pretty and delicious.
Awesome.
I hope you have fun with this one.
Happy summer, you guys. Cheers.